Till I can tell how drunk you are. I don't really care about the pain.
So, this video is going to be a bit different to all of my other videos. Well, it's just going to be very different because all my other videos are mainly skits and stuff. This one won't be a skit, this one's a bit more serious. So, as you can see in the background here, I have the live news from Houston, because it flooded. If you haven't heard, a big hurricane, Harvey I think it was called, came in and wrecked everything. So now I'm watching the news over there and seeing what has been going on. Right now it doesn't have any footage of the actual place, but I've been watching footage and footage and footage of what's been happening, and it's really sad. If it was me, I would fly to Houston to go and help them. And it's like, this is my money that I'm going to be using to fly over there. I want to go right now and go and help them fix everything. Look, so one of the news reports, they went live to a neighbourhood and they have on their driveways, all the way down, they have trash on their, just their driveways are full of furniture and trash, and they have to rip down all the walls in their house and replace them because they're all water damage. It's like,
you would help me pass the night and I would say that I'm alright. Should've known that people say the same. Yeah. Why you so high, going so low? Nobody knows.
I can't believe I am about to say this, but there's two things I want to say. Search up Hurricane Houston, Hurricane Texas 2017. The first one is a live news report. Go and watch that, it'll show you. Or go and look at Jake Paul's channel. He went and helped the people doing their stuff. And all this is about is people going and helping right now. So they're talking to all the people that went to, I'm going to move over here so you can see the TV behind there. They went to Houston and helped. Even though they didn't live in Houston, they went to Houston and helped. Because that's a good thing to do. You need to be, comment down below if you will be a good Samaritan and fly to Houston just to help them fix everything. Like, it's flooding, they can't do anything. I'm getting too wrapped up in this. And the bad thing is, they can't even get the trucks or planes or anything in there because all the roads are flooded. So they have no way of transporting all the food, water and stuff that they need because it's too flooded. Like, they're saying that in one that I said, they couldn't even see the top of the garage. There was no, like the whole house was pretty much flooded. And they had 2-story houses. So, again, I'm going to say this, go and look at Jake Paul's video. He went and helped people, he took some jet skis, he took trucks and trucks of food. And it shows what they're going through. Like, the water's deep, and in his video, it shows in the video it shows that he has on his phone an app or something that's telling him like a warning report, like a police radio type thing, and saying like, need help over here, need help over here. So he's driving there and helping them. But he can't, some places he can't get to. And over the thing, it's really sad because one of the dams broke down and one of the schools, it's all flooded, but one of the schools is being held up by gunmen. So everyone's being shot, all this, the security's being shot, helicopters being shot, whilst they've got this flood on in Houston. So look, this is the neighbourhood. Look how flooded it is. It's up to the top of the wheels. I'm going to link this video at the end of this video. I'm going to go and edit this now and post it today.
And there's so much other things out there that you don't see under the water that you have to.
And like I said, they don't know what's under the water. So it's really dangerous for them to go out there because I have no idea what's under the water. So I have a live video on now on Instagram. Go check that out on Instagram because you'll be able to see this live on my Instagram. But you should also go and look at this live on whoever's putting it up. So I'm not going to say thanks guys for watching. I'm going to say go watch this video. Go watch Jake Paul's video. Just help them. If there's a way you can find to donate money, comment down below and donate yourself because they need ways to do this. They have nothing at the moment. So yeah, bye.